we are going international with Honor Fight. And of course, the organizer. Without him, the idea is always there, but not everybody dares to take the steps and really organize. We have really one that has done it in so many ways and in so many years. Edwin Baas, as part of the Curaçao Martial Arts Federation, and of course, our organizer for this event, Gideon Jonker. All right, so this is the official win. We will be announcing the red corner first to come. Oh, you change your mind now, Gideon? Yeah? Okay, can we just, Gideon, come over here. Come on. Come. All right, so we'll go exactly the way it has to be tomorrow. So, tomorrow during the event, yes, the blue corner is always announced first. Bom, esquina blau sempre de wardo anuncia pro me. Importante di corda bom bas ng warm-ups